Why am I looking at a box? You're probably asking yourself. Well, the box has no relevance. It's just a starting point. Starting point that leads us up the refrigerator and into the eyes of the guilty. Guilty as charged. You are being accused of being where you shouldn't be, little girl. No. I didn't say you can have your opening statement. Don't turn your back and point your butthole at me. I can play Ring Around the Rosie. Ring Around the Microwave too, peekaboo. I see you. Why are you up there? Why are you up there? Why are you up there? Are you happy? The key word is happy. Keyword. The password is happy. Are you happy up there? Are you bored with my voice? Oh, now you're gonna... Okay, well, now this is where things get interesting, because here we have all my supplements, and I don't know if anything's poisonous to cats, but Italian bread, that's not poisonous to cats. It can actually be used as a weapon. That's my skull. I'm so wasted. Fans of Fast Times at Ridgemont High would remember that. Now back to little girl. What are you doing up there? Huh? What are you doing up there? Are you happy up there? Little girl? Are you happy? Huh? What's your name? This week Shrimpy. Shrimpy. Used to be 2D. Now it's Shrimpy. Because you stopped growing. Are you happy? Are you happy? You just want to smell the cat. You want Whatties? Whatties. Yes, it's not water, it's Whatties. Do you want Whatties? This could be a fail or fabulous. Sink, look, Whatties. Look. Looky. Hey, you want Whatties? Look. Look. Whatties. You don't touch my Oreos. Don't eat. No, you're not getting. Yep. Wow. Water does not always attract cats, but it's got me pretty damn curious, staring at it and filming at it, and it's got everyone watching this pretty damn bored. So I'm just going to